How's the JBL Go2 Plus after 3 years? Hi guys, great day. This is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And we're taking a look at this JBL Go2 Plus. And how is it after 3 years? Well, actually, to be exact about it, 3 years and more. So this is the JBL Go2 Plus. This is one of the first speakers that has been released by JBL after the JBL Go. So there is this JBL Go. This is the first release. By the way, we have a review on this on the channel. I'll just put the link on the description or even here at the top. So this is the JBL Go2 Plus. It was released after they released the JBL Go2. So I haven't had the JBL Go2, but I have this JBL Go2 Plus. So let's see how it has been doing. Of course, everything is functioning normally. So we have here the buttons, the power button, the pairing button, the plus minus button, the play button right there. And of course, this is waterproof. That's the very reason why you have here a thick rubber coating on the side. The speaker grill right there feels good naturally. Then we have here the rubber back with the JBL logo right there. And at the side, we have here a rubber cover so that the water could not come in. And we have there, of course, I've opened it already, the charging port and then the auxiliary input for our headphone jack. So there you go. This is the JBL Go2 Plus. Now, how's it doing after 3+ years? I'm using this most of the time. Whenever, by the way, I use it. I charge all my Bluetooth speaker, and when one of the speakers gets battery low, I just take another one, then listen to music, and then charge it all together the next time around. So I don't know if you're doing that. Tell me, what are you doing, or how often are you using your Bluetooth speakers? So this, basically, I don't have any problem with this after those years of usage. The buttons are functioning normally, the sound is still good, and of course, I may not be able to take care of this that often, but it's still intact. So if you have a JBL Go2 Plus speaker at this point, it can still be useful and it still sounds good. Now, for the proof of that, we're gonna listen to a sound test, a sound check after this, and you decide. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe. So the JBL Go2 Plus is still good in 2023 or upon recording this video. So this is an update of the speakers that we had and how's it coping up with the times. So that's it. This is Shry. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be having a demo of the JBL Go2 Plus after this. See ya.
architecture